Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a mixed media project for, oh my, I'm so messy guys, for the Jolie Kit Club, and I am guest designing for them this month, and I'm using their mixed media kits is my fun concentration. Now this is my third project, and I've used this handy dandy paintbrush on the first two. I think the brushes are so cool. It happens to have a cute little handle with a hole in it. And what I was thinking when I took a look at it, I'm like, this would look so cute on my pegboard if it was all decorated up. Now, I'm not the first one to do this. I'm totally not. I have seen all kinds of cool painted, fancied up paintbrushes. So I thought, hey, I'm going to be just another person to do it. Now I'm going to borrow some florals. Right now, these are from the card kit. I don't know if I'm going to bring in any from the scrapbook kit. Let me take a look-see at the size. Now, I think these are so cool. These are from the scrapbook kit because there's text on the florals. So we're going to see. The reason why the ones from the card kit make sense to me, it's because of the size. So I think I'm going to stick with those gorgeous little orchid-y confections for now. Now this is actually still wet because I was using it a lot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera because this will be quite boring. Guys, I just had some packaging I was going to work on top of. You know what I'll do? I just work right on top of this. I'm going to use white gesso and just cover this cute little paintbrush. I don't think I'm worried as much about the, I don't know, should I leave the silver? That might be kind of cool too. I wasn't going to use my hand, but here we are. I don't care about painting this part as much. I just like the idea of decorating up this handle. I think it would be so cute. And then it's going to look like the world's fanciest paintbrush. So yeah, didn't mean to do this with my hand, but now that we're at it, it's fine. And truth be told, gesso tends to eat up paintbrush bristles. So I will just use my hand since my hand just got yucky anyway. Trying to stay off of that. A smart person would grab a little bit of painter's tape and go right over that so it doesn't get as messed up. But that would make it so I would have to stop doing my project, and I want to have fun doing my project. Okay, so that is a really nice layer. I'm trying to cover the blue text. Sorry if I was out of frame a little bit. I'm trying to cover some of that really bright blue text that's on that one side. I'll come back to this side. Smooth, smooth, smooth. And then I will just have it rest sitting up while it dries. And then we can have so much fun decorating it. I mean, what a fun project, right? Cute little mixed media guy. What I think I'm going to do is come right in with this gorgeous ochre color. And it's saturated, it's stunning, it's gorgeous. Now I do have my nice little coat of gesso on here. So I just wanted to see what my concentration was going to be. If I added water, if I came in straight with it, just kind of playing with it to see what I might have. And I will go all the way around. Now, the reason I'm starting with the ochre color is these orchid-y colored florals are gonna look stunning on top of it. So I thought that was gonna be my best ticket. Just gonna come in, super simple paint technique, which is really just slapping it on. No big deal. I'm choosing to go all the way around, even though we'll just see it on the one side. You never know. What if somebody picks it up and wants to start looking at it? It's not that hard to zip all the way around. And then I'm going to go up. Now, here's my question. Do I have the orchid tone at the top coming down, or do I use the carmine? I know. This is not easy to choose which way to go with this. You know how I said I was already using that the paintbrush, some of the water from my other projects coming through, but that's okay. It makes it look more authentic. Let's see what it'll look like with a little bit of that carmine coming on top. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. I don't even know how much we're gonna see by the time we get all the florals and that on here, but I do like to play to see what we're gonna have with things. I was wondering if I use my finger, if it's gonna be nice to blend that. That's kind of cool. All right, very nice. Then I think I'm going to do the tip of the brush. I thought I would see what the gorgeous violet color looks like on this. There we go. You guys, be careful when you pour your paints. It is so nice and concentrated. You do not need to put a ton on your palette. That is so pretty. So pretty. Once this dries, I want to get some modeling paste and our beautiful stencil in there. At least that's my plan. And yes, guys, if you are new to my channel, that is Blue. He is the Snoring Bulldog. He is just part of our world here at She's Crafty. Very little can be done about it. And I know people would be like, oh, just have him leave your room. No. No. He runs things. I fully understand how spoiled he is. Do a nice little blend of that. It's not blending as well as I'd like. I'm going to add a little water to my brush just to see what we'll get. And I can always go in and double up and add more if I choose. Very cool. Kind of looks like fire. All right, y'all, let me get this dry and we're going to get some of our stencil work done to it next. I think we are having way too much fun already. You guys, you can paint just about anything, seriously. All right, y'all, let's do a little bit of decor on this. So I'm going to have it hanging like this on my board. So let's go ahead. So this will be upside down and that's fine. This can be right side up. All right, where did I put my palette knife? Here it is. Here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and, well, that didn't work. It just went boop. Go ahead and put some of my modeling paste. Does this one called molding paste or modeling paste? Modeling paste. Right here, I'm gonna take a look at our project. Doesn't really even matter, guys. Just wanna make sure that I can go all the way up to the tip with some kind of cool wordy bits that we won't be able to read. It's going to be fine. Because everybody does this on their paintbrush, right? Let me reload while it's pretty much stuck down. Then I'm going to have to be patient and let it dry. There we go. I think that is that. So that looks like nothing. How do I feel about that? I feel like it looks kind of cool though, because I just do. So let me go ahead and clean this and we're gonna let it dry. It's perfect texture to me. Hey guys, there we go. She is done. I think it is so cute and so sweet. I've got 3 large, 2 small florals. It will totally remind me of guest designing for this company since I used this paintbrush for a couple of other projects this month. We have got our modeling paste up top through our stencil, some gorgeous chipboard that was already black when I received it, and some great little 49 Market little florals. And they are so pretty. My paintbrush is painted, it goes ochre, carmine, and then violet all the way up. And I think it is just perfect. I will have some still shots to follow, guys, as well as the links down below for the website, for the Facebook group, and the blog. You guys can get your hands on the kits, get all kinds of ideas, join in, and we'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, my friends.